Hey there, Chevy owners. Is your 2009 Silverado 1500 running hotter than a summer day in Texas? Maybe you've noticed a noisy fan rattling under the hood, or worse, your engine's overheating and leaving you stranded. If you're searching for 2009 Chevy 5.6 Radiator fan, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the Dorman 620-654 engine cooling fan assembly, a reliable, budget-friendly fix to keep your truck cool and running smooth. Let's start with why radiator fans fail in the first place. These fans work hard to pull air through your radiator, keeping your engine at the right temperature. But over time, heat and stress take their toll. Bearings wear out, causing that annoying grinding noise. Sensors can fail, leaving the fan stuck on or off. And sometimes, fan blades just give up, cracking or breaking entirely. When that happens, your engine can overheat, risking serious damage. Nobody wants a hefty repair bill or a truck that's out of commission. That's where the Dorman 620-654 comes in, a perfect solution for your 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with a 5.6-liter engine. This dual fan assembly is designed to match the fit and performance of the original factory part, but without the dealership's eye-watering price tag. Let's break down why this fan is a game changer. First, it's built to OEM-level quality. Dorman's motors are lab-tested to ensure they perform just as well as or better than the stock fan. Measuring 41.7 by 6.2 by 18.9 inches, it's a direct fit for your Silverado, so installation is a breeze. No need to wrestle with modifications or adapters. The 6-pin power connector plugs right in, and with a 12-volt, 100-watt system, it delivers powerful cooling without overloading your truck's electrical system. One standout feature? Its quiet operation. At just 4 decibels, this fan keeps the noise down while spinning at a max speed of 3,500 RPM to move serious air. That means your engine stays cool even on long hauls or in stop-and-go traffic. Plus, it's engineered to handle intense heat and built to last, so you won't be back under the hood replacing it anytime soon. Dorman's been a trusted name in automotive parts for over 100 years, and the 620-654 is no exception. It's precision-engineered for a range of vehicles, including Cadillac Escalade models from 2007 to 2014, Chevrolet Avalanche, Suburban, and Tahoe from 2007 to 2013, and GMC Sierra and Yukon in the same range. But for you Silverado owners, this is a spot-on replacement for your 2009 Chevy 1500 with a 5.6-liter engine. Just double-check your trim to confirm fitment. Here's the best part. It's way more affordable than a dealership part. You're getting the same cooling power, durability, and perfect fit for a fraction of the cost. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just looking to save some cash, the Dorman 620-654 makes it easy to get your truck back on the road without breaking the bank. So, if your 2009 Chevy is running hot or your fan's given up, don't wait. The Dorman 620-654 engine cooling fan assembly is your go-to replacement. Trusted, tested, and ready to keep your engine cool. Grab yours today and drive with confidence knowing your Silverado's got the cooling power it needs. Hit that subscribe button for more car repair tips and let us know in the comments if you've installed this fan yourself. Stay cool out there.